Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a poll on Instagram direct message. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all I'm going to open my DM or my direct message. We can click on this icon on the top right, and here we have to select a group chat we want to create a poll on. And for instance, I'm going to select this group chat. I'm going to create a poll on this group chat. And after we have the group chat opened, we can click on the sticker icon, and here you can click on the sticker icon again, and you have to select the poll. Okay, and here we can add the poll question. I'm going to add what is your favorite movie, like this. And we can add the poll option. I'm going to add thriller, and for example romance, and oops, I got typo, but that's okay. Romance and horror. And after we're done, we just need to click on create poll, and now the poll has been created. And that's how we can create a poll on Instagram direct message or DM. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.